Hi, I'm running a men's group and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. It is for men that have in common that they had a divorce some time in their history of relationships. And that divorce was to a very important person at a very important time of their life where they were trying their hardest to figure out could they really have this life that society says they should have, which is being married, possibly having kids and a family, and adapting to a role as possibly breadwinner or just a male position in the household. And when that marriage ended, they got really affected and started maybe being a little hesitant to get into that kind of relationship again, to make that kind of commitment, or really wanting to do a little bit more work on themselves to figure out, is this going to be something that's going to work for them to be in this kind of committed relationship? A lot of men, the men in this group are really either in relationships or looking to be in a relationship where they don't repeat patterns that aren't serving them, where they get to learn how to have emotions and actually talk about their needs in different ways, that they don't just automatically show up in a relationship in the same role that they've always played. So it's a real comfortable group. People are really being honest and full of integrity about what they're looking at, how they're trying to maintain their life. They look at all their different relationships, the ones in work, family, friendships, if they're emotionally close with their friends, if they're really talking about the things in their life that are important to them and emotional to them. And so if these are some of the areas that you're trying to improve on in your life, this might be the place for you to work on them. Reach out and get more information.